Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys my 4-ingredient tea recipe. The ingredients include cinnamon, cloves, green cardamom, and some plain tea bags. You would also need some sugar. This varies on how much you like. I'm adding 1 cup. I'm adding it to around 4.5 cups of water. So I start off by adding the sugar and the tea bags and letting it boil. While it's boiling, I'm adding the rest of my ingredients and just smashing them up. Once the water has come to a boil, you add your powdered ingredients and make your heat medium to low. I then add my tea to a thermos. You could add it to any one. I'm adding one with a strainer inside. Once you're all done, the tea is ready to enjoy. This is good for when you have headaches or when you want to save money and just eat inside. You can, on the side, have something sweet. I'm adding some filled gulab jamun. It's ready to enjoy. Thank you.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye!